2023 could be remembered as a breakthrough year for foldables. Tecno launched an affordable book-style foldable. Huawei raised the design bar. Oppo and Vivo reimagined the clamshell. But the most pivotal device for foldable future, the Google Pixel Fold, a game changer from the creators of Android. So Google released its first foldable smartphone alongside the Pixel 7a during their event Google I/O. Ever since Google started making their own smartphones back in 2016, with the Pixel and the Pixel XL, they decided to join the race of foldable phones with the likes of Samsung and Xiaomi in 2023. With a slim design, stainless steel, proper water-resistant, matte-finished ceramic back, and it folds, what could go wrong with this phone? Google packs a 5.8-inch outside screen with a jaw-breaking 7.8-inch screen inside, both featuring FHD OLED and Gorilla Victus. This device offers an immersive visual experience like never before, and with a refresh rate of 120Hz, you're scrolling and gaming with a battery-smooth screen. Under the hood, the Pixel Fold brings some serious power. Equipped with the Tensor G2 chip, Google's latest innovation found on the Pixel 7 Pro, this device ensures top-notch performance, running on Android 14 with the Material U design. It takes full advantage of Google's advanced features, optimizing your software experience, making it seamless and intuitive for user interface. With foldable phones facing challenges with app compatibility on a large screen, Google has come up with innovative solutions. The Pixel Fold tackles the aspect ratio issue with side-by-side multitasking and app resizing. Plus, with its handy dock at the bottom, you will have to quickly access your favorite apps. A long-lasting battery is a must, and the Pixel Fold doesn't disappoint. With its dual battery system, one on each side half of the screens, this device offers an all-day battery life, reaching up to an impressive 24 hours and 72 hours on ultra battery save. However, it's worth noting that fast charging is not available on the Pixel Fold. Is the trade-off worth it? Let me know down in the comments below. It unmatches the widgets to give the phone a bouncy and lively foldable experience. Although the Pixel Fold does not have high-end specs, Google has managed to up their game with their software. It opens apps faster than the Samsung Fold 4. Features like clear calling, reducing noise in phone calls. Google uses generative AI to achieve this. Live transcription of any conversation. All these features make the Pixel Fold the best foldable to get right now. For the cameras, the Pixel Fold does not pack high-end cameras. It comes with a 48-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide of 10.8 megapixel, and a 5x telephoto lens of 10 megapixel. Google uses AI to make the Pixel Fold cameras look stunning, just like the Pixel 7 and earlier models. Features like Magic Eraser, Super Res Zoom, which gives a high advantage of having a better experience at enhancing photos. Photo blur using AI, the Pixel Fold camera has beat all the odds. The Pixel Fold comes at a price tag of $1,800, but with the foldable market expanding, we might see some price adjustments in the future. With competitors like Oppo, Samsung, Xiaomi entering the foldable arena with new foldables this year, the options are growing. Share your thoughts in the comments below on whether you believe the Pixel Fold's feature justify its price. It's a conversation worth having.